Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Munif Ansori, NPM 22411217. The role of ethics in sustainable strategy. Welcome, join us. We explore the critical link between ethics and sustainability, examining how ethical principles guide business toward a more responsible and sustainable future. What is sustainable strategy? Long-term vision. Sustainable strategy encompasses environment, social, and economic consideration to ensure a company's long-term viability. Environmental responsibility. It addresses environmental concern, aiming to minimize negative impact and conserve resources. Social impact. Its priorities fair labor practice, community engagement, and ethical sourcing of materials. Economic sustainability. It focuses on long-term financial stability through responsible practice and innovation. The business case for sustainability. Number 1. Enhance brand reputation. Sustainable practice attracts customers and investors, boosting brand loyalty and trust. Number 2. Reduced cost. Efficiency improvement and waste reduction can lead to significant cost saving for business. Number 3. Improve access to capital. Investors increasingly favor companies with strong sustainability commitment, leading to greater investment opportunities. Number 4. Competitive advantage. Sustainability initiatives can differentiate business and attract a wider customer base. The role of ethics in sustainability. Moral compass. Ethics provide a framework for making responsible decisions, ensuring that sustainability efforts align with ethical principles. Accountability. Ethical consideration hold business accountable for their action and impact on stakeholders. Fairness and justice. Ethics ensure that sustainability initiatives benefit all stakeholders, including workers, communities, and the environment. Integrity and trust. Ethical practice build trust with customers, employees, and investors, enhancing the company's reputation. Ethical framework for sustainable decision making. Utilitarianism. This framework emphasizes maximizing overall well-being and considers the consequence of decision. Deontology. Deontology focuses on moral principles and decisions regardless of the outcome. Virtue ethic. Virtue ethic stresses character development and moral behavior as essential component of ethical decision making. ESG principle. Environmental, social, and governance principles provide a comprehensive framework for assessing a company's sustainability performance. Embedding ethics in the strategic planning process. Number 1. Define values. Identify core values and principles that guide sustainable decision making. Number 2. Set ethical goals. Establish clear and measurable goals that align with ethical principles. Number 3. Assess impact. Evaluate the potential environmental, social, and economic impact of strategic choices. Number 4. Stakeholders engagement. Involve stakeholders in the decision-making process to ensure ethical consideration and address it. Number 5. Monitor and evaluate. Regularly assess progress and adjust strategies to maintain ethical integrity. Aligning corporate values with sustainability goals. Number 1. Mission and vision. Clearly articulate the company's commitment to sustainability. Number 2. Values and principles. Define core values that reflect ethical and sustainable practice. Number 3. Sustainability goals. Set measurable goals that align with ethical values. Number 4. Policies and procedures. Develop policies and procedures to ensure ethical and sustainable operation. Number 5. Employee training. Educate employees on ethical and sustainable practice. Transparency and accountability is in sustainable practice. Number 1. Data collection and reporting. Track and report on sustainability metrics, providing transparency to stakeholders. Number 2. Independent audit. Conduct regular audits to verify the accuracy and completeness of sustainability reports. Number 3. Stakeholders feedback. Engage stakeholders in dialogue to address concern and ensure accountability. Number 4. Public disclosure. Publish sustainability report and other relevant information to increase transparency and accountability. Engaging stakeholders on ethical sustainability. Number 1. Dialogue. Establish platform for open communication with stakeholders. Number 2. Feedback. Actively solicit feedback on sustainability initiatives. Number 3. Collaboration. Partner with stakeholders to develop solutions. Number 4. Transparency. Be open and honest about sustainability practice. Overcoming ethical dilemmas in sustainable strategy. Number 1. Identify the dilemma. Clearly define the ethical conflict and the stakeholders involved. Number 2. Consider alternatives. Explore various options and their potential ethical implications. Number 3. Seek guidance. Consult with ethical experts or a company's ethics committee for advice. Number 4. Transparent decision. Communicate the decision-making process and rationale to stakeholders. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.